Well, good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino beer review. Today you have the Rhino, and we're looking at a beer that is a product of the US of A. It is from Echoes Brewing. It is 5% alcohol by volume. This is Echoes Rauchbier. It says it's in WA. That's Washington, is it not? Washington State is WA? What other states would be W? Like Wyoming? Those are really the only two I can think of. It's been a long time since I've had to name the U.S. states, right? I mean, we make fun of Americans not being able to name all the Canadian provinces, but I guess to one extent, I understand it because there's a lot fewer provinces than there are states. But at the same time, if you asked me to name every state, I could probably get close. I don't think I'd be able to do them all. Solely because I don't think about the US often. I mean, I don't. Other than when I'm drinking US beers. That's when I'm learning about US states for the most part. Color's proper. I mean, it is a deep amber color. Sorry, I snorted a beer in our last video, and it's affecting me. It's on my hand, and it's okay. So I love the color of this beer. I love that amber color. I love the see-through. I love the off-white, slightly mocha head. I love the snap, crackle, pop. I love all of that. Scent out of the can. Would I say Rauchbier? I don't know. It has almost a red ale scent to it. It kind of has a cherry note. It does have a smokiness to it, but I don't think I'd say Rauchbier smokiness. I'd just say a little bit of like a roasty smokiness. Out of the glass? Oh, out of the glass, it full on reminds me of an Irish red. Let's try it. Cheers. Okay. Does have some smokiness to it. It is not. It's not. I had a beer explode on me. Look, it gave me color.
What?
A beer exploded on me. Look at my hand. Look at my pants.
Well, you shouldn't pee yourself like that.
Look at my floor.
That color pee. You should get that checked out.
I love you. So, does it make me think of German Rauchbiers? No. However, if you're going to start getting into smoked beers and all that, this could be a great first step into that exploration. A little bit of caramel. A little bit of cherry nibs. A little bit of a roasty toastiness. And then a fairly smoky back end. I wouldn't say hickory. I wouldn't say applewood. I wouldn't say mesquite. I think it kind of reminds me of maple. It's kind of like a maple smoke on the back. But again, so minor that if you didn't tell me this was a Rauchbier, I would have no guess that this was a Rauchbier. I'd be like, hey, I'm drinking a nice smoky Irish red. Not that smoky Irish reds are normal, just that it reminds me of an Irish red, even the 5% ABV. And I get it. I get what they're trying to do. And it's good. If you're looking for a Rauchbier that's going to appeal to more people than a regular Rauchbier will, Echoes Rauchbier is great for that. I like this. And because it's not a true Rauchbier, it's not full-on smokiness in my face and all that, I could see myself drinking more than one of these, which is kind of a nice thing too, because a lot of roast beers, like if you get the roast beers, it's like one bottle, and then you don't need another bottle for like months. This one I could see myself buy a 12-pack of it. Not saying I'm going to drink the whole 12-pack that night. I might drink like 2 or 3 of them, and then a few days later have 2 or 3. But I could see myself drink an entire 12-pack of this. I can't see myself drink an entire 12-pack of the Oct variant from Germany. Oh, that went down the wrong hole. Not going to take that away from the beer. It's a good beer. That really is so akin to an Irish Red with more smokiness. I really like this. This is going to get a 7.75 out of 10. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.